In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Do Not Disturb on Android. Do Not Disturb is a really useful feature when you want some quiet time, but it can be confusing or even frustrating if you're still missing calls and notifications after you're done with it. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through turning it off, and I'll also point out a few things to check so your phone starts behaving exactly the way you expect. First, wake up your Android phone and unlock it to get to your home screen. Now, swipe down from the very top of the screen to open your notification shade. On most Android phones, you'll need to swipe down twice, or swipe down once with 2 fingers, to fully expand the Quick Settings panel. In this panel, look for the Do Not Disturb icon. Depending on your phone, it might be called Do Not Disturb, DND, or show a circle with a minus sign or a small Do Not symbol. If you don't see it right away, swipe left or right to move through the different Quick Settings pages until you find it. When Do Not Disturb is turned on, the icon is usually highlighted or colored in. To turn it off, simply tap the icon once. After you tap it, it should no longer be highlighted, which means Do Not Disturb is now disabled. If you want to double check, you can look for a small Do Not Disturb symbol in the status bar at the top of the screen. When the feature is off, that symbol should disappear. You can also test it by asking someone nearby to call or message you, or by sending yourself a message from another device and seeing if you get a sound or vibration. If you still aren't getting notifications, it's possible that your phone has schedules or rules that are automatically turning Do Not Disturb back on. To check this, open your Settings app from the home screen or app drawer. Scroll down and look for Sound, Sounds and Vibration, or directly for Do Not Disturb, depending on your Android version and phone brand. Tap into the Do Not Disturb settings. Here, look for any automatic rules or schedules, such as sleeping, bedtime, or work. If you don't want Do Not Disturb to turn on by itself, either turn these schedules off or adjust the days and times to match your routine. Once you've turned off the icon in Quick Settings and made sure there are no unwanted schedules, your Do Not Disturb mode should be fully disabled, and your calls and notifications will come through as normal.